Hey there, fashion forward eco warriors. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of recycled outfits. But before we jump into the sustainable fashion journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our sustainable style tips. First thing first, what exactly are recycled outfits? Well, it's all about breathing new life into old clothes, reducing waste, and making a positive impact on our environment. Recycling has never looked so good. Now, you might be wondering why go for recycled outfits. The answer is simple. It's good for the planet, your wallet, and your style. By upcycling, repurposing, and recycling clothing, you can create unique, budget friendly, and environmentally friendly looks. Let's dive into some fantastic recycled outfit idea that are not only trend but also sustainable. Our first recycled outfit is all about that vintage revival. Thrift stores and vintage shops are treasure troves for unique pieces. We all take you through how to style these one of a kind finds into a contemporary and chic outfit. Next up, we have got DIY denim. Old jeans can be transformed into stylish, distressed, and personalized denim pieces. We will show you some easy DIY techniques to make your jeans look like $1 million. Don't toss those old t-shirts just yet. Our third recycled outfits idea involves transforming plain tees into trendy graphic tops or even crop tops. This is a fun and budget friendly way to breathe new life into your wardrobe.